Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop membership module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I will also show you the process to create various membership plans for your customers, and you can choose to offer certain benefits based on those plans to the customers of your shop. So in order to know more about the configuration and the process to create a plan, let's just go to the back office of the Prestashop. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my Prestashop, and this is the configuration settings page of the module. So configuration settings of the module consists of various options. So let's just see each of the options one by one. The first option is display membership menu on top. Whether you want to show or hide the membership menu on the front end of the shop, you can decide that by enabling or disabling this option. I'll just show you how this membership menu is being shown to the customers on the front end. On the integration of the module, this particular membership menu is added, and you can choose to show or hide this menu from the configuration settings. Then next is admin approval required to activate customers plan request. Whether admin will be approving each and every request of the customer's plan or membership plan request or not. So you can decide that from here. In case if you enable that, then admin will need to approve each and every request of the customer's plan request. Otherwise, they will be activated automatically. Then whether you will be allowing your customers to activate or subscribe to multiple plans at the same time or not, you can decide that. Then next is on reaching the expiry of the subscribed plan, whether you want or allow your customers to extend their activated plans or not, you can decide that from this option. In case if you enable this option, then your customers will get an option to extend their plans under their subscribed plans menu page on the front end. I'll show you whether and where and how it's shown to the customer later in the video. Then whether you will be allowing your non-registered customers to see membership plans which you are offering or not, you can decide that. Then next is how many days before you want to send a warning mail to your customers before the expiry date. You can choose to set a particular number here. As you can see that 3 days is set here. Then 3 days prior to the expiry of the plan, a warning mail to the customer will be sent that your plan is going to expire, and in case if you wish to extend it, then you can do so now, or whatever you may decide for that plan. You will be notifying your customer accordingly. Then how many number of plans you will be showing your customer on a plan page, you can decide that by entering a suitable number here. Whichever number you choose, that number of plans will be shown to the customer on a page. Then whether you will be showing a warning message or not, and how many number of days before you will be showing a warning message to your customer on the front end of your shop, you can decide that by entering a suitable number of days here as per your own convenience. Then next is to set a cron setting. You can simply copy and paste this cron link into your cron tab manager, so that an automatic mail, that is which you set here, that 3 days before a warning mail should be sent to a customer to notify. This will happen only when you set up Cron Task Manager. Based on that, your customers will be notified accordingly. Now, after the integration of the module, this Prestashop membership is added. Under this, 3 new tabs are added to add and manage the plan requests. Let's see each of them one by one. The first one is membership plans. Under this section, you can choose to create new plans, and you can choose to create as many plans as you want. And as you can see that I have already created a plan in order to explain you better and show you the process. I have created this plan, so let's just edit this plan to see what all options do you get while creating a new plan. On clicking the button, this form will open in which you need to fill in all the details in order to create a new plan. The same form is shown while creating a new plan too. However, we are editing this in order to know what details are required to fill in each of these fields. So first is you need to set a language in which you want to create this plan, then name of the plan, what will be the plan price that a customer needs to pay in order to subscribe to this plan, then what will be the duration of this plan, that after this much number of days the plan will automatically expire. Then you also need to arrange the sequence. In case if you have created multiple plans, then on which number you want to show this particular plan to your customer, you can choose that. Let's just say that I have created 3 plans. Then if I select sequence as 1 for this particular plan which I am showing to you currently, then this plan will be shown to the customer on first position, and in case if I choose to set it to 3, then this plan will be shown to the customer on third position, and rest of the 2 will follow accordingly based on their particular sequence set for those plans. Then you need to also specify or add a description for the plan. The description may contain benefits or certain privileges that you will be offering to your customer on subscribing to this plan. Then you also need to add a plan logo. A basic plan logo or the default plan logo is automatically set to this which you are currently seeing at this page. Otherwise, you can choose to add a file from your own end, whatever you might like to show to your customers. Then next is choose plan to restrict with this. This option only works when you have created multiple plans. As of now, I have already created this plan in order to explain you the process, but in case if you have created multiple plans, then you can choose all those plans to restrict with this plan. That will allow your customer to not subscribe to those restricted plans if he is say that subscribe to the gold plan. Let me just make it more clear by giving you a simple example. As you can see that this gold plan is that we have created here, and let's suppose that we have also added 2 plans per se, silver and diamond plan, and if I choose those plans to restrict with this, then a customer who is already subscribed to the gold plan will not be able to subscribe to those diamond and silver plan, even if the configuration setting allows him to subscribe to multiple plans at the same time. So this was all about creating a membership plan. Now let's just go to the front end to see how a customer can subscribe to a plan. On the front end, as I already told you, this new tab is added. Click on this tab to see all the membership plans being offered by the store owner to subscribe. As you can see, this listing is shown here. You can click on this button to know more about the details of the plan. Click on the Buy Now button to proceed to buy this plan or subscribe to this plan. The process to buy this plan is same as you buy any other product, any other normal product on the shop. Pay for the plan which you are subscribing. After clicking on the button, you will make the payment for this plan and your order is confirmed. Now you can go to the account sections. Then after that, under order history section, you can also check the details of the plan that you have just subscribed. As you can see, this particular order is still awaiting bank wire payment. The steps are same as goes for any normal order. Admin will need to receive the amount. After that, he will update the status of the order as he does for any other normal order. In case if he accepts the payment and update the status, then the status for buying this plan will be accordingly updated on the customer's end too. As you can see, that payment accepted is now shown on this order history page. Now, after subscribing to the membership plan, an admin can see to the customer plan details. As you can see, after selecting a customer, the plan status is seen here as pending because under the plan requests, an admin has or you have not yet approved the request of the plan. In order to approve the request, click here. Membership plan of request is successfully approved and activated for the customer. Then after that, you can also choose to see the detail of the plan by customer name, as in this case is John Doe, and you can see all the details of the plan here. You can also choose to delete this plan in case customer or any other instance might arise need for it. Then after that, go to my account section to see the membership plan or name of the membership plan to which a customer subscribed. Customer can see that or check that from the my account section. Under my account section, as you can see, a new tab of my membership has been added. Click on this to see the details of the plan to which he is subscribed, or customer can check that by going to this section. He can also choose to extend this plan by clicking here, and a new request will be generated at the admin end, and he can choose to approve or reject that request as per their own convenience. Then by clicking on this all membership plan, he will be again redirected to the list of all the membership plans that are available to subscribe. So this was all about the Prestashop membership module, and admin can choose to create as many plans as he want and offer to their customer. Based on this, they can provide certain benefits and privileges to the customers, and customers can choose to subscribe to these plans to enjoy those benefits. So this was all about the Prestashop membership module and its configuration. Hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.